Colombia, Colombia,
Colombia,
Colombia, Colombia, Colombia, Colombia.
Hey guys, so we made it to Cartagena safely and I'm going to give you guys a room tour now. I'm staying at Ibis in Marbella, I'm so sorry. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the room. It's a really simple, hotel. Okay, so when you enter, just this little hallway and then it takes you into the bedroom. So you have here a full body mirror, love that. You have a TV, you have the bed. This is like a queen size, or yeah, it's giving like a queen size. And over here you have like, a little area you can set up. I'm gonna put like my makeup here. Then you have a closet, like the showcase right here, mini fridge. There is a safe, extra pillow, trash can, a chair. So yes, it's like a desk area. So you have a desk area here. Cool. Feel back that way. That's the restroom here. I'm gonna take you inside the AC unit. Let's look in the mini fridge, shall we? What? Oh my god. Okay. There is nothing inside. Alright, cool. Alright, and now here is the restroom. The glass enclosure shower here. It's the bathroom. Pretty simple. Hair dryer, towels. Yeah, and that's it for the room tour. Yeah, so I will speak with you guys in the morning. Yeah, so I will speak with you guys in the morning because it's like midnight. I'm super tired. I'm going to shower and get some rest because we have a tour early tomorrow morning, and they said they're coming to pick me up at like 7:50 a.m. so I gotta get breakfast and then head on out to that tour. Hi guys, good morning you guys. So it is day one in Cartagena, Colombia. I'm running a bit late. We have a tour today. We're going to Palenque, which is an African village. It's similar to like a maroon village. It's like one of the first places that slaves ran away from in Cartagena, Colombia. But I'll show you everything and all of that. I'm gonna run downstairs, try to get some breakfast before my tour operator comes for me. This is what I'm wearing today. So I'm just keeping it super casual because this tour is 6 hours. Oh my god, my zip is down. Okay. And yeah, I just want to be comfortable, the vibes. So yeah, let me show you outside because you can see like the ocean now. So that's what it looks like from my hotel. Yeah, and it was a little bit overcast this morning, but now it's nice out and sunny. So yeah you guys, so I'm gonna run downstairs, get some breakfast, and I'll take you guys with me, and then we are heading out onto the tour. Guys, I just grabbed the quickest breakfast because I don't even know the tour operator is downstairs. Go.
Downtown.
Okay, great. So, as you can see, I got downstairs just in time. Like, as I got downstairs, the tour operator was there and he was about to call me. He's like, Brittany? I'm like, yes, it's me, I'm sorry. But yeah, we're gonna head to get everyone now. I'm the first person he picked up because he said that everybody else is downtown. So, let's go.
Oh, Jack.
La señora ya.
Trying so hard to find this picture.
green one represents the motherland.
Motherland.
Because in Palenque we also think that when we die, our soul is going back to the motherland Africa. Now, take your time.
Guys, we just made it to Palenque. It's very hot. It's very hot. But we're gonna go on the tour now and learn all about this area. So I'm gonna take you guys inside with us.
Slave trader called Pedro Gomez Reynel. After that, he was brought to the Americas, one of the biggest slave ships. As you know, the navigation wasn't sophisticated. Many of our sisters and brothers died coming to the Americas. Come from Africa to the Americas was a long trip. Sometimes it took months to get here. But the thing is that then in Cartagena, Bencos Viejo was always trying to escape from slavery. He was a good leader. And he also was a princess in his tribe in Africa, the Hagos tribe. Finally, in 1599, he managed to escape with around 40 people. And they went to a place that we call La Matuna. It was like a swamp, like a small jungle around Cartagena. In that place, the Spanish crown have continued attacking them, trying to take them back to Cartagena. For that reason, they decided to come to this place that we call nowadays Palenque. And now the question is, what that word means, Palenque. Palenque was like a defense, the wooden structure that they built around the community to protect themselves. That was called Palenque. Of Palenque, a big land of black people is strong.
Bueno.
Lo que está aquí,
Coqueta.
guateando,
Bateando,
Pusa,
Pusa,
Suto.
Suco.
It means that we are happy in Palenque today because you are here discovering our community. Now, arriba,
Arriba.
abajo,
Abajo.
al centro
Al centro.
y pa' dentro. Now he's speaking in Palenquero language. He said that today they are going to show you a little about how they receive people in this community.
Nosotros empezar un motocar que gente supo hacerlo cuando me entendí Palenque hacer nunca que supo a llamarlo bullerengue.
Do you remember that I told you that in Palenque we have brains for bad moments and happy moments? The first one that he's going to play belongs to sub music.
Bullerengue.
And it's called bullerengue.
Nosotros acaba como un motocar que supo hacerlo cuando supo tajarocho que se llama chalupa.
And the second one is called chalupa. That's happy music.
Y supo también darlo un motocar nuevo que supo hacer que supo hacer llama rap folclórico en Palenque.
And finally, they're going to play rap from Palenque. Something that they call rap folclórico from Palenque.
RFP. La guayabita madura y caramba, buen guayaba, le dijo a la vete, vete ay caramba, buen guayaba. La guayabita madura y caramba, buen guayaba, le dijo a la vete, vete ay caramba, buen guayaba. Es que siempre tierra es. Mamá y uno solo. Vais a hacer hacemos un solo puestazo.
Stuff in Jamaica. Yeah, because it's important. Communication.
You start with right now.
Designated 1631, March 16, 1621. Something interesting about this statue is that it's facing in the direction of Africa. Because in Palenque we have to keep in contact with the motherland all the time. But the reason is pointing there. So there you can see a Catholic church. But in Palenque we also believe in Yoruba religion.
Hola.
Hola.
Yo, Herrera Cáceres, médico tradicional de San Basilio de
His
Palenque.
partner Ambrosio.
Dentro de nuestra comunidad de San Basilio y Palenque, 0 muerte por
So
COVID-19.
in this community nobody died from COVID-19 when the situation was really hard.
De bienvenida, le vamos a darle un té muy especial.
The welcome they're going to give you a special tea.
Ese té es hecho de menta,
It's made with mint,
lemon, cinnamon, sugar.
Gracias.
Salud. Salud humana a mí.
Ese ron compuesto,
that's compound rum.
esto lo utilizamos como antídoto.
Use that as an antidote.
Sirve para mordedura de serpiente,
It's good for snake bites,
picadura de mosquito,
mosquito bites,
escorpión.
scorpion bites,
También sirve para dolor de cabeza,
and it's good for headache,
dolencia en la rodilla,
pains on your knee,
dolencia en la espalda.
pains on your bike.
A diferencia de esta, drink it
Yeah.
y uso tópico.
You apply it and you have to drink too.
A diferencia, tenemos una bebida más especial.
We have another special drink,
Este es nuestro whisky palenquero,
or whiskey from Palenque,
más conocido como contra o botella dulce,
known as Contra or sweet butter.
similar a la mamaguana.
Similar to, mamajuana from Dominican Republic.
¿Para qué lo utilizamos? Sirve para purificar.
That's okay, today is Friday.
Gracias.
Al centro
Al centro.
y para adentro.
Para adentro.
Son 15. ¿En qué parte vive?
Where do you live?
So after visiting the herbal doctor and having him, bless us, we went to this boxing gym. Here, boxing is a popular sport in Palenque and in Colombia. So we got in the ring. Yes, this is a full workout. So I highly recommend sneakers and workout clothes for this activity.
Vamos, sí, bien. Vamos, posición. One, so, one, two.
Entonces, bienvenido al espacio.
Welcome to this place.
Mi nombre es Antonia Cassiani Padilla
That's Antonia Cassiani Padilla.
y han llegado a la Casa Única Palenquera.
You are now in a original house, a traditional house from Palenque.
Casa que salvaguardia todas esas manifestaciones culturales que nos dejaron nuestros ancestros.
This house we're keeping to keep alive many traditions for our.
Que hoy donde están sentados son unos tabretes hechos en madera y cuero de vaca.
Where we are sitting right now, we call that taburete. It's made with cow.
Por acá. Estamos en la cocina,
We're at the kitchen.
donde miramos nuestra tinaja subterránea,
Look at the traditional
el
fridge.
cual nos mantiene el agua fresca.
That is called tinaja. We use that for keeping water. Remember that in the past.
Okay, good. Oh, solo en el centro.
You have in the center you have to eat.
Quien lo pila no lo come, y quien lo come está sentado. Y yo que lo estoy pilando no me gano nada. Las trenzas libres cogidas en un solo moño y son utilizados para la danza, pero suelto significan libertad.
This one is the, ¿cómo que? Las trenzas.
Las trenzas
free
libres
braids.
cogidas en un solo moño.
That
Oh, the tree
represents-
braids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That represents happiness and freedom in Palenque.
Y las que usted tiene
The one that you have.
también representan, son las trenzas libres, que representan
braids
libertad,
represents freedom.
pero a la vez están las calles de Palenque.
But that looks like the street from Palenque too. Peinado jamaiquín.
And they call them Fulani braids now. I don't know if that's any significance here. Censorship or not, but they allow them.
De ella.
Now you have to buy it.
That's fine.
This one, this one. Yeah.
Thank you. Gracias. You guys, I just got back from Palenque and that was just an unbelievable experience. It was so rewarding. It was so eye-opening. It was so historic, cultural, beautiful, just amazing. And I just feel so deeply connected to my own roots. A lot of it reminded me of like the Maroon Village in Jamaica, but like richer with more history, and it was just amazing. Later on we'll do some more debriefing, but right now I have a sunset cruise that I need to get ready for because time is going by and there's traffic, so I'm gonna get ready for that cruise and then I'll pick up at the camera. Guys, we made it onto the boat like just in time. The way my Uber driver and I had to run to find this boat. Oh my god. But yeah, we're literally leaving. You see me moving? You see me sweat? Okay, you guys, we just got off the boat, so now we're gonna walk around the wall city. It's right here, so I'm going to find a way to get behind this wall. I know this tower is like a special tower. My plan is that I'm gonna walk like a crazy person, because you see, when people know you're not from here, you have to look crazy. So I'm gonna look crazy with my walk. I'm gonna be like no man, boo-hoo, first and last. Look at the back angle pop. No, boo-hoo, boo-hoo. Why the first night out in my bag looks like this? Colombia, you can do one of these horse and carriage rides. They are so frequent. Here comes another one.
I think.
No, thanks. So guys, I just chose this restaurant called Porthos Pub, and it's just a cool vibe. It's just a chill restaurant. I got this drink so far, honey sour, and I ordered like a bacon steak. This is the vibe in the restaurant. So it's like brick wall, really nice restaurant. I'm so sorry for the weird angle. Let me try this drink.
We went to Aruba and no, I wasn't running down the hallway at the end of the night. We're headed to Flamingo Island, so we had to go to the Renaissance Hotel and take a book.
Oh, this is good. You're right. Maybe I should have drank for myself. Hold on. Okay, so I got bacon and steak with steamed potatoes. The food is good, you guys. The food is good. I'm pleased. And the steak is at the right temperature. So yeah, I'm happy. You guys, you have to come here and get the honey sour. This drink is so good. Good morning, everyone. So it's Saturday in Colombia, and we had a time last night. Okay, listen, the drinks at the restaurant that I went to, 10 out of 10. Okay, the steak was so good. I was a little tipsy, but you know, we had to keep it safe and call an Uber. Uber took me back, and I just showered and went to bed. So this morning I got up and just came back from breakfast downstairs. The plan for today is we have a food tour at 4 p.m. and a chocolate and rum tasting class at 8 p.m. So in the morning, I don't really have anything planned yet, but we're gonna do something. Okay, we're gonna be outside, but just stay tuned and let's see where today takes us. Hey you guys, so I decided that I am going to go to this restaurant called Alma restaurant, and I'll have lunch there, and then afterwards I'm going to like walk around, burn off some of the calories there, and then meet up for my street food tour at 4 p.m. And then after that we have the chocolate class in the night. So I think that's a good plan. The street food tour is going to be in it's going to start in Wall City, and the restaurant that I'm going to is already in Wall City, so I have a lot of time to just walk around Wall City, and then on the tour I'll be walking again, because baby, these calories are adding up in Colombia. These calories are adding up in Colombia. It's a lot of drinking here. Everybody just wants to give you a drink. It's a lot of food, and the food's so inexpensive, so I gotta burn some calories. So I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, so I'm all dressed now, heading out to Alma restaurant. So this is what I'm wearing. Yes, like I've been waiting to wear this dress. It's so beautiful, so nice. I think I may change though, like bring a change of clothes for the walking tour, because I don't know if I really want to walk in this all over, because it's a bit long. I should have gone it hemmed, but time was against me. So yeah, so let's head out now. I'm going to call an Uber to come and get me, and yeah, we're just gonna head out and go eat. So we just got to Alma restaurant. I'm dining outside. It's such a vibe here. I'm gonna show you guys. There's like a pool right here. It's really, really beautiful. So the food just got here. You guys, this is an appetizer, the pork belly. Oh my god. I'm so glad the server told me that it's huge and I should just, you know, wait and see if I want more food, because you guys, everything is so delicious. I can't even finish this appetizer. This is the first in my life I've had an appetizer I can't finish. I'm the only person here right now. It started to rain, but it stopped, so thank God. It's just so beautiful here, so beautiful, okay, so beautiful. And you have all of this part, you have the indoor dining, so nice. Yeah, so the food is super affordable, even though I just got an appetizer, but that appetizer was so filling, so it came up to 116,000 Colombian pesos, which is about $30 US. So I'm just gonna leave 40, you know, $10 tip. Yeah, I think that's good. So I made it to the meetup point. These guys with umbrellas, so I know it's them. So we're just getting ready to go soon. So you guys are going to see that I didn't vlog every aspect of the walking tour, because one, safety. Who wants to pull out this big camera in the middle of the city? You know, you just don't make yourself a target. So I didn't vlog everything, but we tried seafood, we tried candy, we tried pastries, we tried street food, we tried everything, and then we tried arepas. So yeah, you'll see.
We have arepas. Now, can you see? Arepas with beef and egg. But also we have potato. Potato with beef or potato with cheese. It's up to you.
Thank you. Oh, we.
So I just came back to the hotel just to shower quickly, and now we're going to the chocolate and rum tour. So the Uber's here, so let's go.
Sugar flavors, which kind of it's heating the natural flavor of the rum. So this is something which we have to take in consideration. But anyway, so the first thing what we do normally is having a look to our drink, and our drink here is completely clear, transparent. It was not aged. Sometimes, of course, an aged product will be like this, darker. But dark doesn't mean always aged. Why? Because here, as an example, this Vice is dark, but it's not dark because of aging, it's dark because of the herbs. The first thing,
39%.
Maybe drink some water, can of course, even though it's not resetting completely your body. And really like the same rums with chocolate. Okay? Just to see different. And I'm curious to hear what you think about it. Be honest.
Oh, it smells so perfect.
Okay, yeah. You don't like it? Okay.
I love it.
Yeah?
I love bourbon.
It's sweeter than number one. Why not pair the sweet rum with the bitter chocolate? Number two is bitter chocolate, and rum number one, which is less sweeter, with a sweet chocolate. Let's just do just to see what happens. This one. This would be rum number two.
Do you teach the cooking classes too?
Sorry?
Do you teach the cooking classes too?
I don't need
Tres leches?
evidence that my mom will see.
Okay.
This is really, really sweet.
Hey, that's our Liberia.
Yeah. I don't do flavors. I was recently, do you guys get Chopped out here? Food Network? Maybe not. I was on Chopped. Cool. Eric is here.
Really?
I'm so working on. This is a
Maybe my wife knows it.
olive oil cake with whipped cream and lemon curd.
So you're more...
I do both.
Okay.
I'm pastry trained,
Okay.
but then I started cooking too. It seems smarter. Everyone in the States is like, I can't bake. So I started as a baker, so it's easier. I feel like in a lot of ways baking is easier because you have to follow a precise. It's harder because you have to be precise. Well, but if you're good at following directions, most people are fucking idiots. Well, yeah. Let me tell you, almost everyone in the kitchen is ADHD, autistic, hyper, like everything. Fair. Yeah. Like most of my coworkers are somewhere on the spectrum. And hey, I'm not knocking it. I probably am too. It's just something that I'm really good. Like I love order and direction and all of that, so it works well for me. But my coworkers, they can't follow a recipe sometimes. Yeah.
This is sometimes a problem, of course. We were trying now to, because we have this oven here, this restaurant. And this is, so you can do basically everything. You can. And so we are training a chef here, for doing but it's again, you have to follow the recipe.
Yeah, the perfect time, the temperature. The menu was based on my menu. So salmon skewers, pickled cucumbers, and scallions. I want you to make a sauce.
Sure.
Pulpo y papas, peppers.
So this was for work?
It was work. They were not staying individually for 40 people. This was a maracuya.
Hey guys, so I just got back from the rum and chocolate tasting class, and at the end we had like a mixology type class. We made a cocktail, so it was a really good experience. We were just there having great conversation with the owner and just like, yeah, great conversation with everyone. So I'm done for the night. Like, I was thinking about going to one of these bars that's really popular here, but you guys, I cannot drink anymore, I cannot eat anymore, and I really feel like it's a sin to like try and eat more than what your body can literally handle. So I'm just gonna call it a night. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Good morning. So it is my last full day in Cartagena. I leave tomorrow. So today the plan is that I'm gonna do some restaurant hopping in the morning. We still have a full day again. Then I'm gonna buy some souvenirs, take a picture with the palenqueras. I haven't gotten that picture yet. I'm just gonna eat small things from each restaurant, like really small things, and just like restaurant hop. And then at 5 p.m. I have a salsa class, which is gonna be in Gethsemane, which we were last night. Last night where we were was Gethsemane. Then I want to come back here, change, get ready to go to Conde restaurant, and then hopefully Al Comico. Wow. It's a jam-packed day. I just went down to the beach and I got like my feet wet. Put my feet in the water, nothing crazy. And I had a little breakfast, just the tiniest bit of breakfast. You guys, the hotel is flooded downstairs. I'm gonna put a clip to show you our hotel is flooded downstairs. Crazy. Okay, bye. Okay, and I just wanted to mention some stuff about the money here. So here I got some Colombian money. I have 220 Colombian dollars left, so I'm gonna try and spend all of this today when getting souvenirs, paying for food, all of that. I have US here, and you guys, when you're coming to Colombia, get a lot of small change, because literally nothing will cost you more than 20 US dollars. Nothing, okay? Like, get a bunch of 10s, 5s, 20s, small change. And even when they change the money for you at the cambio, guys, ask them to give you less than this is. So you have 50,000 here and you have 20,000 here at the front, like the smallest change as possible, because everything is super affordable, you understand? So just wanted to note that there is no water. Remember I said it was flooded downstairs? I think this is affecting the water. It's barely any water. Oh my god. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to go to Epoca Cafe now. This is what I'm wearing, this two-piece set, really nice. And what I'm doing the same thing as yesterday. I'm taking a change of clothes and I'll wear this like workout set when I'm shopping around and grabbing like souvenirs. So yeah, I'm gonna call the Uber now and run downstairs, because these Ubers, they come here so quickly. They're ready in like 10 seconds, okay? So let's go. I'm so sorry you guys, it's so humid, it's fogging up the lens, but we're at Epoca and she just said give us a few minutes, because you know it's just me, it's busy inside. So if you're coming as a big group, come early, but if you're just one person solo, you'll be fine. Oh my god, the humidity, hold on. Okay, so a fun fact I learned from someone who was on one of our tours is that these door knockers that are on the doors, they identify like the occupation of the person who used to own these buildings. So like different animals would mean different things. I think she was saying like an owl is a teacher, an owl. I think like a lion is like a police officer. So yeah, that's just a cool fact. Gracias, bye. Bye. I just took my pictures with the palenqueros. Yeah, and just took them, and they were nice. The other ones that I've seen, they've been really mean, and like I said, money, picture. No, but they were really nice. So the palenquero ladies were on the same street of the restaurant that I'm going to next, which is Anna restaurant. So I just took some pictures here, and the waitress, he could see me, the waiter could see me in the background, and he was laughing at me. So let's go in here now. It's such a vibe. I walked past yesterday. Hi. So I also got some dessert, which is this. Oh my god, I don't even know how to start eating this. I don't know. Okay guys, sorry for how dark it is, but remember I said I'm just gonna change clothes. So I'm in Anna restaurant. I just changed. I'm gonna get some souvenirs. I bought 3 shot glasses a while ago, and while I was taking my pictures with the selfie stick, I forgot them outside. And when I remembered, the guy who cleans the place here, he already threw them out in the trash. So I'm gonna try and get some more shot glasses, no problem. That's just how it is. So I'm gonna take off like my watch and just try to look way more simple. So I changed into like a workout set. So yeah. So on the same street where there's Anna restaurant, there is a souvenir shop. So it worked out great for me, and her prices are great. There she's in the corner. She's so nice. I got one of these bags. I got shot glasses, refrigerator magnets. So I'm heading out now. So it's raining now. I'm just waiting on an Uber to come and get me. So I'm gonna head back to the hotel and just like freshen up and get ready for the salsa class later. But yeah, the souvenir shop is like right there, and then Anna restaurant is right here. So yeah, you can just come and get your souvenirs right here, guys. And she's very affordable with her prices. So I made it back to the hotel now, and you guys remember that drink I had that had the gold flakes on the top? I've been walking around with that gold all over my lips. Let me see if you can see it. Like there's literally gold flakes all over my lips. I look so stupid. So stupid. Alright guys, so we are on our way to the salsa class. This is what I'm wearing. Just the bodysuit and these pants. I just called the Uber. It says it's 13 minutes away. So yeah, just waiting on that. So I'll see you at the class. Now I'm super excited for this. So the salsa class is being held in Gethsemane or Gethsemane. So sorry for the pronunciation. The Uber driver, he dropped me off a little bit away from the class, which I didn't really like, but the road was closed off, so I had to just kind of figure out exactly where it is. I'd say Gethsemane is the only place where I felt like a bit unsafe in Colombia, being by myself, but the persons were helpful. So I had to run into this nearby shop because, child, I forgot my deodorant. Oh my god. So I had to get some deodorant, and then we headed to the class, and the class is inside someone's house, like on their rooftop. So we headed up these stairs and got ready to salsa.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, lady, he's the leader. No, pues. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2.
So we're at Conde trying to get a table. It's really busy here, but it's really pretty. So I'm gonna show you guys. So these are my appetizers, mini arepas. This is my drink. It just got here. It's literally a shell. Oh my god. So this morning is my last morning here. Colombia, you were so great to me. Such a great cultural experience, such a great food experience. I love it here. We travel again next month, you guys. So subscribe, like the video, share the video. Please comment, tell me what activity was your favorite activity. And thank you guys so much for watching and watching till the end. We're just gonna travel now back to Panama and then from Panama to Kingston, Jamaica. This was such an amazing trip. I love Colombia and I will be back, definitely. We gotta go to Medellin, we gotta go to Guatape, we gotta go to Santa Marta. I want to come back to Cartagena because I love it here. So bye guys.